Hi there, students. To propound. To propose. Propose is a good synonym for propound. It's to suggest a theory or something you believe or your opinion for other people to consider and debate. So the church propounded its theory that the earth was the center of the universe and that the sun went round the earth. So to offer something for debate, to put forward. Yeah, so he propounded the idea that lockdown was not a good idea because people were becoming infected anyway. To propound a view, he propounded his views to the crowd. Let's see, very often I get the feeling as well, when you are propounding something, you are arguing the validity of it. And like that, you are proposing it to the people listening so that they might believe you. To set something forth for consideration. He is always propounding theories about aliens. He's putting forward, he's presenting, he's suggesting, I'm sorry, I've got hiccups, to state as an idea for consideration. What do you propound we do about this situation? What do you propose? What do you suggest? Okay, and this is the idea of to propound. To proffer a suggestion. His new book propounds the theory that all life in the universe comes from one source. The teacher was propounding that we study all night in order to get good results in our exams. To propose, to put forward. You have every right to propound your views, but that doesn't mean I have to believe them. He propounded various suggestions in order to try to get a peace treaty between the two warring factions. Okay, so it's a simple word for to propound. So, to propound, a regular verb. He propounded his idea. He has propounded these ideas on many occasions before, but they're not very credible. Your next question, how formal is this? This is a formal word. If you propound something in a conversation in the pub, you're going to look a bit weird. I'd give it 7.5 formality. I propound that you use propound in a semi-formal or formal writing context only. Yeah. Otherwise, it sounds very formal and a bit posh. Yeah. So what do you propound as a solution to this? What do you put forward? What do you propose? And then let's see. The origin. There was a Middle English word proponen, to put forward, and that comes from Latin proponere, put forward, pro, before, and ponere, to put. Okay, so to propound, to propose, to suggest, to give your ideas, to argue a theory that a theory is valid, to offer something for discussion or for debate. Okay, so I propound that you try to learn at least 2 new vocabulary words every day. Or do you propound a different way of learning vocabulary? Yeah, it can be difficult learning words one by one. And anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Propound.